What is Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is also a search engine, as we discussed in earlier lessons. It is an open source and is based on Lucene engine. Elasticsearch and Lucene allows enterprises to process their data and generate business insights. The ideal situation will be a private enterprise having huge customer data would want to understand what their customers like or dislike about their products or services, what they purchase, when they purchase, how much they want to spend on the services, etc. Many questions like this can easily be answered by Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is built on Java technologies, making it easily adoptable by enterprises, and it offers various inbuilt capabilities such as scalability, high availability, full text search, real time analytics, and many more. We will discuss each one of them in upcoming lessons.